Good morning students. Today sixth sum. The diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So it is given diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side and longer side of the rectangle is 30 meter more than the shorter side. But a shorter side is not yet given. So first we have to assume what will be the length of the shorter side. So I am drawing the rectangle ABCD and taking shorter side. This is the breadth and then we had the diagonal AC. So what are the informations given? Shorter side we don't know, so we are taking it as let the shorter side be X. Then what will be the longer side? Longer side is given as longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So longer side will be X plus 30. And diagonal, what is given? Diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Therefore diagonal will be X plus 60. Since it is given as rectangle, angle is 90 degrees, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So what is your Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, what is the value of AC? X plus 60. So I am substituting X plus 60, the whole square is equal to AB. What is the value of AB is X. So X square plus BC square. What is the BC? X plus 30, the whole square. We have the formula A plus B, the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So I am going to expand this X plus 60, the whole square. So how can I expand? X square plus 2 into AB, that is X into 60 plus 60 square equal to, writing this X square plus, now expanding this part, X square plus 2 into 30X plus 30 square. Now normal expansion of the formula A plus B, the whole square. Now X square plus, here 2 into 60 is 120X plus 60 square is 3600 equal to, adding this X square plus X square is 2X square plus, when I am multiplying this 2 into 30, 60X plus 30 square is nothing but 900. Now bringing all the terms to one side. So this will become minus 2x square. This will become minus 60x. This will become minus 900 equal to 0. Now here x square is there. Here 2x minus 2x square is there. So when I am simplifying, I will get minus x square. Here 120x is there. Here minus 60x is there. When I am simplifying, I will get plus 60x. Here 3600 minus 900 will give you 2700 equal to 0. Now coefficient of x square is negative, so multiply with the entire negative and change the equation. So what will be the equation? X square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Same as usual, coefficient of x square value is A. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 60, C is equal to minus 2700. X is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC by 2A formula. Substitute in the formula. Minus is there in the formula, write minus. B value is minus 60 plus or minus square root of B square, that is minus 60 square minus 4 into 1 into C value is minus 2700 divided by 2 into A. Minus and minus will become plus. So 60 plus or minus square root of 60 square is 3600. Here minus is there, here minus is there. So minus and minus it will become plus. 4 into 2700 is 10800 by 2. Now add up these, you will get 14400. 14400 is nothing but square root of that value is 120. Square root of 12, 2 zeros are there, put 1 0. So 60 plus or minus 120 by 2. So first case I am going to take for positive. So So x is equal to 60 plus 120 by 2. 60 plus 120 is 180 by 2, which is equal to 90. Second case, x is equal to 60 minus 120 by 2. When I am subtracting, minus 60 by 2 minus 30. Negative value is not possible in the length. Therefore, shorter side is equal to 90 meter. Then longer side will be x plus 30. That is 90 plus 30, 120 meter. Seventh sum. The difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. So we are going to take two numbers. Difference of the squares of the two number is given as 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Two numbers are given. One is a smaller number, another number is larger number. What is the given? Smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Both the number we don't know, but the relationship is given. Square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So smaller number is related to the larger number. So we have to assume the larger number first. So let the larger number be x. Then what about smaller number? Smaller number square is 8 times the larger number. So smaller number square is equal to 8 times larger number. We assumed it as x. So I am substituting here x. Now I want the smaller number. So removing the square root. The smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. First condition what is given? Difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. That is, difference of the squares of two numbers is 180 it is given. That is, larger number minus smaller number is equal to 180. Difference means subtraction. Always we will subtract smaller number from the larger number. So I am taking larger number at first. Minus smaller number is equal to 180. What will be the smaller number? Sorry, larger number. Larger number is x. So I am going to square because square is given. So x square minus smaller number is root 8x the whole square is equal to 180. Now x square I am writing as it is. Here whole square is there. So when I am squaring this root and square you can cancel. So what I will get is minus 8x is equal to 180. Bring this 180 to this side. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now same as usual simplification. A value is 1, B value is minus 8, C value is minus 180. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Just substitute. X is equal to minus is there in the formula. Write that. For b it is value is minus 8. Substitute plus or minus square root of b value is minus 8. So minus 8 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 180 divided by 2 into 1. Minus 1 and minus 8 will give you plus 8. Plus or minus square root of 8 square is 64. Minus and minus is there. So when I am multiplying, I will get a plus 720 by 2. X is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 784 by 2. 784 square root I am finding. First two digits we have to take and then put comma. So 2 2s are 4. Then 2 plus 2 4. 48 into 8 will give you 384 0. So square root of this value is 28. So square root of root 784 is 28 by 2. First case for positive, second case for negative. So first case I am going to take positive 8 plus 28 by 2. Second case 8 minus 28 by 2. When I am simplifying I will get 36 by 2 which is equal to 18. Second part x is equal to when I am subtracting minus 20 by 2 minus 10. So negative larger number or smaller numbers. Square of the numbers cannot be negative. So I am not going to take. So x is equal to 18. That is larger number is 18. Then what will be the smaller number? Smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. Larger number is equal to 18. Smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. So 18 to 18, 144. Square root of 144 is 12. So smaller number is 12. Therefore, the two numbers are 18 and 12. Eighth sum. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So So what is the distance? It is given as 360 kilometer. If the speed has been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So they are increasing the speed for 5 kilometer per hour more. Then what will be the difference of the timing is given 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So we are going to consider what will be the speed is not given, only distance is given, time is given. So we are going to let the uniform speed is x kilometer per hour and it is given distance traveled is 360 kilometer. Here first case we are going to take as it is the time. Second case we are going to take if in speed is increased by 5 kilometer, then time is 1 kilometer less. When we are increasing the speed, time will be reduced only. So for first case, time taken is equal to distance by speed, that is 360 by x. Second case, what they are telling, if they are increasing the speed, what is the speed they are increasing is 5 kilometer per hour they are increasing. If the uniform speed is x means, now I am going to increase the speed by 5 kilometer. So what is the speed? Now I will get this x plus 5. Now distance is the same 360 only. So we are going to take the distance from here only 360. Time taken is equal to the same formula, distance by speed. Distance is 360. What is the speed for this second case is x plus 5 and it is given in this. It is 1 hour less when they are increasing the speed. So time is differ for both the journey in 1 hour. So what is the difference is 1 hour it is different, lesser. So it is given as less. We have to subtract, that is 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Here we are subtracting because in the question it is given as 1 hour less. So we are subtracting. Now taking LCM. For this sum, LCM is x and x plus 5. So x plus 5 is the LCM. Cross multiply 360 into x plus 5 minus 362 into x divided by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. Now as usual multiplication, 360 into x, 360 into 5 is 1800 minus 360 x divided by, we are multiplying x into x, x square, x into 5, that is 5x is equal to 1. 360 x and 360 x you can cancel, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So what will be the next term? 1800 is equal to cross multiply x square plus 5x. Now interchange and rearrange and write it as an equation, that is x square plus 5x. This 1800 I am taking to this side, so minus 1800 equal to 0. Now this is your quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b value is 5, c value is minus 1800. Same formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now going to substitute in the formula. So x is equal to, b value is 5. So minus is there in the formula, write 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square minus 4 into 1 into 1800 c value divided by 2 into 1 minus 5 plus or minus square root of 5 square is 25 minus 4 into minus 1800 is plus 7200 by 2. X is equal to minus 5 plus or minus, when I am adding this I will get 7225 by 2. Same I am finding the square root of 7225. What is the square root value is 85. So minus 5 plus or minus 85 by 2. Here same for positive one, negative one. So minus 5 plus 85 by 2. X is equal to 80 by 2, which is equal to 40. Here for negative I am going to simplify. Minus 5 minus 85 by 2. So minus and minus, minus 90 by 2 minus 45. Speed cannot be negative value, so this is not possible. So first case x is equal to 40. Therefore speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Thank you children.